Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to look at 3 of the most outstanding cars from the history of automobile construction. Ford Mustang 1965, a revolution in American automobile construction. In 1965, the American automobile industry experienced a revolution with the introduction of the Ford Mustang, a car that came to symbolize youth, freedom, and power. This new generation mass car quickly won the hearts of Americans and left an indelible mark on automotive culture. From dream to reality. The Ford Mustang was created to meet the demands of the youth of the 1960s who wanted to own a stylish, powerful, yet affordable automobile. With its sporty lines and compact yet imposing design, the Mustang was an instant hit. The Ford Mustang was offered with a variety of engine options, but the most popular was the version with the 8-cylinder V8 engine, which offered impressive dynamic performance. The Mustang's design combined aggressiveness and elegance, making it recognizable on the road. The introduction of the Ford Mustang marked the beginning of a new class of cars, pony cars. These cars were characterized by compact size, affordable price, and excellent driving characteristics. Mustang opened a new page in the automobile industry and inspired many other brands to create similar models. The Ford Mustang quickly became not just a car, but an iconic symbol. It appeared frequently in movies, became the subject of numerous songs, and the admiration of car enthusiasts. Even decades later, the 1965 Mustang remains one of the most popular and beloved classic cars in America and beyond. The 1965 Ford Mustang is more than just a car. It is a success story, a symbol of an era, and the embodiment of the American dream of the perfect automobile. It continues to inspire new generations and remains an important part of automotive heritage. Jaguar E-Type 1961, a masterpiece of automotive art. In 1961, the automotive world welcomed one of the most significant and stylish cars of the 20th century, the Jaguar E-Type. Combining grace, speed, and innovation, this car quickly became a legend and continues to delight car enthusiasts around the world. The beginning of a legend. Unveiled at the Geneva Motor Show, the Jaguar E-Type immediately caught the eye with its futuristic design and technical innovations. Its creation was inspired by the Jaguar D-Type racing cars, which is reflected in its aerodynamic shapes. Sporty and elegant, the E-Type featured a long hood, curved windshield, and round headlights that became its trademark. Technical innovations. The Jaguar E-Type was equipped with a 3.8-liter engine with 6 cylinders inline, which provided excellent dynamics and speed. The car accelerated to 100 km per hour in less than 7 seconds and had a top speed of around 240 km per hour. It also offered a number of advanced technical solutions, including independent rear suspension and disc brakes, which was an innovation for production cars of the time. Design icon. The design of the Jaguar E-Type was admired and recognized as one of the most beautiful cars of all time. Its harmonious proportions and sleek lines make it truly unique. This car became a symbol of the 60s and took its place in history as an icon of automobile design. The legend lives on. Decades later, the Jaguar E-Type continues to be an object of admiration and an example of automotive excellence. Its classic look continues to inspire designers and is a source of pride for collectors. More than just a car, the E-Type is a work of art on wheels that continues to inspire and delight generations of car enthusiasts. The Volkswagen Beetle of the 1960s, symbol of an era and cult car. The Volkswagen Beetle, or simply Beetle, became one of the most recognizable and beloved cars of the 1960s. This small and fuel-efficient car not only epitomized the automotive revolution, but also became a significant cultural phenomenon. A significant cultural phenomenon. The beginning of the road. The Beetle started back in the 1930s, but it was the 1960s that became the golden age for this car. It was designed as an affordable and reliable car for the masses. The Beetle owes its popularity to its unique design, economy, and reliability. Its compact size and distinctive shape quickly made it recognizable on roads around the world. Design and features. The Beetle's round headlights, curved roof, and compact body became a trademark of the Beetle. Its design was not only cute and cutesy, but also functional. The Beetle was equipped with a rear engine, which was unusual for cars of the time. This feature contributed to its stability and handling. Cult status. The Volkswagen Beetle became a symbol of 1960s hippie culture and the epitome of freedom and independence. The car was often associated with youth culture and was popular with students and young families. Due to its popularity, the Beetle gained widespread cultural recognition, becoming a character in movies and musical compositions, and left a significant mark on pop culture. The Volkswagen Beetle remains one of the most iconic cars of the 20th century. Its design, history, and cultural influence continue to inspire and capture attention. The Beetle is not just a car, it is a piece of history that continues to live on in the hearts of many fans of automotive classics.